Dear students, we are going to start a new batch called Full Stack Python course. As a part of this course, we are going to cover totally 5 various modules, which is designed especially for industry orientation to fulfill the industry demands. The first module contains Python programming. In this, we are going to cover core Python, advanced Python with 3 to 4 projects, and we cover as a part of Python, we cover Python for data science, where we cover NumPy module, Pandas module, Matplotlib module. With NumPy, how do you go for calculating complex calculations easily? How do you use trigonometric functions, financial functions, statistical functions as a part of our real world applications? So with NumPy we do various calculations, including linear algebra also we explain it. And next, when we come to Pandas, we go for how do you do data analysis, how do you perform the data analytics, how do you build the models, how to handle the missing data, how do you deal with the business models, how do you predict the analysis, time series. We are going to cover various applications as a part of Pandas. There we are going to cover EDA projects also. And next, Matplotlib, where we are going to use it in the industry for data visualization. As a part of it, we cover various plots such as line plot, bar plot, stacked bar plot, stacked grouped plot, and pie chart, histogram, which includes horizontal histogram, vertical histogram. We cover various plots which makes us to get visualization about our business models. And the second module we cover UI technologies. As a part of that we cover HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and also covers Angular or React. And next module we cover web application frameworks, which includes Django, Flask, and REST API. These are used for building web applications using Python. As a part of this web application framework, we will explain web projects, at least 2 or 3. And next module we go for database software related modules. As a part of this we cover MongoDB and MySQL. In software field, databases are most useful for storing the data persistently. Financial organizations you take it, marketing organizations you take it, any organization need to go for storing the data permanently. We will achieve the data persistency by using Python with the database. How we establish the communication between Python with the databases, how we communicate it. We are going to explain in detail with various industry samples. We cover the project also as a part of that. Next we go for UI technologies, including database, including framework. We cover MVT related kind of applications. And next, when we come to UI modules, UI module, how to integrate with the Django, how to communicate with the database models using MVT architecture, ORM models, we will explain as a part of that. And the last part of this full stack Python is testing methodologies, Git, GitHub, various Google platforms, and then cloud platforms, Amazon kind of cloud, we will explain. So the overall course contains the various projects of each module we will explain, in hands-on experience will provide, and will make you readiness to work in the software field. And along with this, in each module, we solve various examples which are going to be happening in the system test in the companies, like a hacker ranking examples will cover, lead code examples will cover, and we do the complex analysis, how to perform it, how to improve the logic building skills, how to express yourself in the interviews, and we are also covering certification kind of applications also in the class. Hence, by learning this full stack Python from Naresh IT, you are going to become an expert in the industry and you are going to become a certified in the full stack Python. Thank you for joining this course. Click the link given in the description.